Okay, interrogative, passive voice, I'm going to teach you. First sentence. Does he write a letter? Okay?
Yes.
Does he not? So it's an interrogative form. Does he write a letter? So its subjective is he because that is singular one. So how we translate into, how we make a passive voice into it? Is letter written by him. Is letter written by him. So does he write a letter? That is your interrogative form, indefinite tense. But when we make passive voice, so passive voice in this way we have to make. Is letter written by him? Right? Okay guys?
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay? So this is very a simple way that. So please write down and you have to do it. Another sentence. Formula is that very simple. Formula, first of all, helping verb. Okay, as per subject. If the subject is the singular. The singular form we use is, plural here are, or I here am used, that's right. So helping verb, after that object, okay, right after that base verb, third form we have, because passive is always third form we use. By is compulsory and then subject is last and question mark. Okay, that's the formula you have to just understand. So that's interrogative, present definite interrogative. Then does he write a letter? Does he write a letter in the you very well? So is letter written by him? Okay, that exactly means of the sentence. That's the formula here. Helping verb, object plus base verb third form and by and subject is compulsory because the change over here, right? Okay guys, that is exactly means of this. One more sentence, write down that. Do they cook food? You have to practice by yourself because that formula already written, guys. Do they cook food? Do they cook food? So please, you have to make passive voice into it right now. How long is it? 5 minutes? 4 or 5 minutes? Okay, that's right. So that is very simple ways I've taught you in simple formula, interrogative and passive voice, present definitive. So you have to practice at your home. And if you doubt, you can ask me. And below this video in the comment box, you can ask me anything, any grammatical thing. If you mistakes while reading, you can call my number also there. Okay, please subscribe, like, and share my channel. Thank you very much.